What are you doing, Calliope? Is somebody here? Hi! Who is it? Is someone sneaking up on you? Okay. Who is that? Who's there, huh? But there's somebody there? What's going on? Are you scared? Is someone sneaking up on you? Are you scared? Who is that, huh? Who's here? What's the matter? Are those your scaredy ears? Who's there? Who's there? Who is it, huh? Is somebody there? Who is it? Who's here? Who's here? Are you a silly girl? You're such a silly girl.
With its 180 horsepower and its 6-speed transmission, the Scion TC is made.
Who's there, huh? Who is it? Is someone sneaking up on you?
5-star overall safety rating.
Well, go get him. Go get him.
Scion Service Boost complimentary
Go get him.
plan. The Scion TC is made to handle.
Who's here, huh? Who's here? Who's here? Who's here? Am I going to protect you? Am I going to save the little one? Save the baby. What? What's the matter? Okay. Okay, we're safe now. We're safe now.